that's a huge component that I think we don't talk about from enough angles. Like we oftentimes talk about just using a lubricant as a substitute, but not asking the question of what's the root cause for why there's vaginal dryness and why there's discomfort. Like painful sex is not a normal thing, or it's a typical thing that many people have, but it's not normal. And even if it's common, it's just because so few people are doing the things to get to the bottom, to get to the root cause of that. So let's go into that a little bit more about how important it is for the glands of the vagina and helping to resolve what was the issue in the first place. That's so important to think about those angles.
Yeah, well, I think it's important to understand the physiology as our body's shifting. So as we age and we start losing these really rejuvenating hormones that keep
Yes.
our tissue, it's vulvar and vaginal atrophy, so dryness. The mucosal thins out, the muscle layers thin out. We lose muscle and rugation. So instead of all these beautiful folds and glandular secretions, it becomes thin
Mhm.
and atrophic and less flexible, less dynamic.
Mhm.
And that can cause pain, discomfort, microabrasions and tears and
Mhm.
perimenopause tampon trauma
Wow.
from dryness. And that causes adhesions and creates a susceptibility to infection. And the pH changes as we age.
Mhm.
So as women age, the pH of the vagina goes from acidic 3.5 to 4.5 to more alkaline. So hence the fishy odor,
Oh,
the
wow.
bacterial vaginosis. There's a
Mhm.
shift in the microbiome of the vagina. This is so
Yes.
understudied.
Yeah.
This is so important that the bacterial in the vagina is supposed to be predominantly lactobacillus species,
Mhm.
predominantly lactobacillus crispatus. And but as and versus the gut microbiome, we want diversity. We want all kinds of bugs, like huge party, very multicultural inside our gut. In the vagina, no, we're very selective. We want lactobacillus, and that's it.
And I love how you're talking about a whole system, comprehensive approach, because this is so relevant. And there's so many different pieces to the puzzle that when it all comes together, it's perfect. And it really does work optimally. Our system knows exactly what to do to regenerate, replenish, and heal, and to stay as healthy as possible.